who have ever won the FIA Manufacturers Championship in a Shelby Cobra in 1965. Next to Bob, we have his lovely white hat.
Who is that guy? It's Ron and Jerry checking out my car.
So at this point, I'd like to ask our celebrities out here to come to the microphone, and we're about to start the show.
Yay! Car show in Fountain Hills, Concours in the Hills, 3rd annual, over 500 cars, and if I can...
Start your engine!
Yay! So now we have to start our engines, which means I have to find my keys. Yay! And sorry about this. First I have to find my keys. I actually have keys. There goes the flag. Hold on. I think that's it. Sorry about that. Couldn't find my keys. Anyway, we have over 60 Porsches here. So the Porsche Club of America, Arizona region, has over 800 members in Arizona, Phoenix, and North. The Southern Arizona region is down in Tucson, also known as SAR. They have all the rest of the members in Arizona. But 800 national, 400 local in Arizona. Here's the race cars. I'll do another couple Periscopes today, don't worry. But anyway, thanks for joining us. Enjoy.